Hello guys, if you haven't seen this vacuum in a pretty long time, that's right, this is my 1965 or post-1965 Montgomery Ward vacuum cleaner. As you can see, I have replaced the bag because the old bag zipper completely broke. I still have the old bag. I am planning on taking it to somebody to have it get a new zipper on the bag. Well, anyways, here's a vacuum cleaner. This is the full update video since I first made my last one. I can show you the whole thing now. As you can see, it has a 2-speed switch. You have a low, and then here's the off, and then there's the high. And I got a Sanitaire bag yesterday from the vacuum store. It's the only bag that they had. I didn't really want to get a Sanitaire bag, but I was in a hurry to try to get this thing fixed up. And here is the base of the machine. You have your headlight and your signature label right there. And I did kind of clean up the machine a little bit. I wiped it down. It was really dusty before. Now it's much cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna show the back. I'm gonna flip this over. Here is the back of the machine. I also did replace a brush with a VG2 brush. They did not have a VG1 brush at the store. They had to modify the VG2 brush because the ends are square ends. Here's the back. Not sure how you can tell what year the vacuum was from. I know the newer Eurekas, it has the year on the beginning of the serial number. It's obvious it's not from 1943. That's really obvious. I'm not sure how you can tell what year this is from. I'm thinking post 1965. 3.5 amps. And you have your belt instructions. And it has these little clips right here to keep the plate on. I'm filming with my phone right now, so it may not focus that well. I always have to tap the screen to get it to focus. And there it is. It has a metal fan. The seller who sold this to me is a vacuum collector, and he did rebuild the entire motor. He did not replace the motor at all. He rebuilt it, and it sounds like it's brand new. Like, it literally sounds brand new when you turn it on. I mean, this is in really good condition. And here you have your height adjuster. You see low, and then this is I turn it over for normal. I'm gonna turn it. It's a bit hard to turn. There we go. So there's the back. And I am going to try to make it all original again. Once I do get the bag fixed, it will be all original again. And I'm going to make an update video once I get that bag fixed. And like I said, for a vacuum this old, this is in imperfect condition. Most of these that I've seen on eBay are in horrible condition. But this is actually in really nice condition. And now we're going to vacuum with it. Alright. Like I said, I am using my phone, so I'm hoping it doesn't fall. We're going to vacuum with this now. And this is a filtration bag, so it does have a Sanitaire paper bag inside. And here we go. Let's start off with high speed first, since that's what everybody likes. speed. Got low, high. Sounds exactly like a 3.5 amp Sanitaire. Thanks to the seller and the collector who rebuilt the motor, it sounds like brand new. And that was my Montgomery Ward. I'll never give this vacuum up, since it is really hard to find Montgomery Ward vacuums nowadays. These are really hard to find, and it's even harder and more rare to find them in really good condition like this. Most of them are all beat up. And all I have to say is, that's about it.